Guess the organ? Lungs? The liver? Heart? Or bladder? What is the longest bone in the human body? Tibia, radius, or femur? How many bones make up the human body? 156, 206, or 256? What do bones need to grow? Sugar, iron or calcium? Guess the organ? Brain, pancreas, or stomach? How many teeth does a human being have? 18, 28, or 32? Guess the organ? Kidneys, lungs, or stomach? Neurons are used to produce energy, transmit information, recirculate blood. The brain is a muscle. True or false? Guess the organ? Eyes or ossicle? How many liters of blood does an adult have on average? 5 liters, 10 liters, or 15 liters? What does IQ mean? Immature quotient or intelligence quotient?